เพราะว่าเนื่องจากว่า
Life jacket, life buoy, and their floating devices allow us 48 hours to save their life. So tomorrow will be the highlight. We'll try to do as much as we can to save them.
The HTMS素可泰 corvette sank on Sunday. It's now emerged that there weren't enough flotation devices on board for the amount of sailors the ship was carrying. An extra 30 personnel were on board as part of the operation it was on. For those who did manage to survive, the ordeal has been horrific.
คนเนี้ยเขาเกาะอยู่แล้วก็เอาเรือเข้าไปรับ
We found this guy holding a life buoy, so we rescued him. He was floating in the water for 10 hours. He is still conscious, so we could take him out of the water safely.
There is pressure on civilian security forces more than the military security forces, and it's also because the civilian security forces are not as strong as the military security forces. The counterterrorism department is a form of police that goes against terrorists, and it's almost impossible for them. I mean, if the police force, the counterterrorism department, cannot safely interrogate alleged terrorists, which is what happened in one of the attacks, that at the police station, at the counterterrorism department station, they were interrogating it. And there are two stories coming out of that attack. One story is that the people who were being interrogated somehow managed to steal the weapons of those who were interrogating them. Now, how on earth does that happen? In the second attack at Lucky Marwat, where 4 policemen were killed, can you imagine there were 60 policemen in the police station who fought valiantly on all-out war for about 45 minutes, and then the police lost. So this is a country where the terrorists and the police are out there fighting openly, and then the security forces losing out to them, and the terrorists being able to take away their friends and help them escape. It's just mind-boggling.